Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about art modern interior design style for beginners. One of the most well-known design style is art modern, sometimes referred to as streamline modern, which is distinguished by its distinctive retro curve, pastel hues and nautical accent. From 1930s to 1945, the art modern movement was at its peak, signaling the end of the Art Deco period. It signified the exhilaration of future and marked a turning point between roaring 20s and the Great Depression. The design began to focus on simple, aerodynamic shape that mimicked those of car, plane, and ships at the period. During this era, dinner, hotels, theaters, retail mall, bus terminal, and restaurant all featured art modern design. The style became synonymous with post-depression area. Here is an overview of art modern design style and how to apply it in your home. Art modern style in interior and architectural design. The curving form, long horizontal line, and occasionally nautical features were used in art modern architecture to highlight the simplicity of geometric shape. The American design community was influenced by European Bohemian movement, which advocated for classical architecture to be preserved in its pursuit form, free of embellishment or excess, as opposed to Chavernous zigzags and other decoration of Art Deco. In contrast to Art Deco prosperity for tall vertical building, art modern structure were often fashioned in low horizontal design. Furthermore, they were often white as opposed to color art deco structure. The simple aerodynamic curves were used instead of harsh angle of art deco structures. Simple aerodynamic curve were used instead of harsh angle of art deco. Stucco, cement, and glass took the place of exotic timbers and stones. Thank you so much guys for watching and must subscribe my YouTube channel.